System errors causing the Certcredprovider DLL crashes in Windows Certificate Credential Provider. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Quickly resolve Certcredprovider inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Certcredprovider, the Certificate Credential Provider library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of certificate-based login, such as smart card or virtual certificate authentication. It facilitates the secure data link between hardware tokens and the Windows login manifest. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Since Certcredprovider DLL belongs to the Windows system core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Certcredprovider. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be aware that manual interventions for Certcredprovider DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're addressing Certcredprovider inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Certcredprovider was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.